Here's the Nikon P1000 camera, and the lens hood just fell off. It looks like this. It has a Nikon text, another icon there, and made in Thailand, and another identical on the other side. It has some thread-like looking things on the side. This also has this. Okay, and there is a dot. So let's place this Nikon text to the right, 90 degrees. So here's the Nikon text on the right side. Okay, and here we have those two dots. Rotate it to the right 90 degrees, and here at the end it clicks, and you can lift it even from the lens hood, so it's attached. So that's how to attach your lens hood to the Nikon P1000. Nikon text is on the right, and rotate it 90 degrees to the center. And that's it. The lens hood is attached.